lot of places to cast off that bank, and it's fairly deep. What up, guys? Eric here with Mountain Movers. Got another beautiful day. We're here at Grant Cedar Mill in Gordonsville, Tennessee. See all the commotion going on. We're going to build some raised beds today. Lady wants to do some gardening. So we're here to pick up some 1x12 B grade cedar boards for her. Let's get this stuff loaded. Ready to go. All right, guys, check it out. Is this not a beautiful piece of cedar? So this is going outside for these raised beds. But there's all kind of different things that you could do with this, man. And this is an ideal piece. It's just beautiful, man. All the contrasts and colors. All right, guys, we're getting our first bed dug in. See this beautiful hill here that we have to deal with all these awesome rocks. You know, she's just looking out for us, trying to make life easy on us. You know, we wouldn't want to do it down here on this level area. That'd be too much work. Now we got this beautiful hill right here. Now this is where you want your raised beds. No, I'm just poking fun, guys. That's all right. This is where she wants it. You see all that beautiful green grass down there? Looks a little rough here with all these rocks and whatnot, so this will definitely add some visual appealing aspects to the hillside here, you know. So she'll still have her yard to run, play, whatever. Not sure if she's got kids, but great place for it if she does. So she wants eventually 12 beds here. I got enough material for 8, so we're going to try to get in as many as we can. May have to come back at another time to put in the compost and all that stuff, but we're still maybe a week or so away from the last frost date of the area, which is April 20th, when you're supposed to start putting in your plants. So we ought to be done within that deadline, just in time for her to start putting in some veggies. I'm gonna have to get Tay to hold the phone one time, because every time y'all see us, Tay's doing all the work and Eric's holding the phone. I work too, all right?
He do.
Sometimes. Today, you know what I mean, somebody's got to cut the wood, you know. So Tay's doing the easy part. He's doing the digging. I gotta grab the tape measure.
I'm in one spot, baby.
I gotta draw the lines. My wrist gets tired, man. Here's the first bed, guys. You gotta put on this other corner. Trying to get a good before this hill, before it transformed into a secret garden paradise. All right, guys, so I know all of you have had a date where you ask yourself, what the hell did I get myself into? Yeah, it's one of those days. So here's a pile of rock. 3 piles of rock that we've got just out of this one bed and a half, only going about 7 inches deep. On this deepest corner, I don't know, that may be, yeah, 8-9 inches at most. Here's the rocks that we've got from that. Oh man, but that's all right. That's why people call mountain movers, because you ask, tell us what you want. Mountain movers makes it happen. All right, guys, 1 minute and 30 seconds later, here we are. I know y'all wondering how we started doing this so quickly, but it's just years and years of experience. Tay and I have been doing this for 45 years, so we can't help to do it instantaneously. Anyway, everything's coming along pretty good. you know, this does have a visual aspect to it as well. Being on this hill, of course, on the video you can only tell so much, but actually being here is just looks neat. Looks neat, like they're one with the hill. It's cool stuff. So there will eventually be 4 more back here. So we gotta get the materials for those. That may not even be this season. They might worry about that next season. But the goal is to eventually have 12. This will have been 8. So this was, it took about an hour per bed. As far as just the install, the digging, the cutting, all that, roughly an hour per bed. All right, guys, today is the day. Putting the compost in these beds. I say compost, we got a garden mix. Sometimes that compost by itself, there's conflicting information. Some people say that you can use 100% compost and that it works fine. Other people like to add some drainage. I think that's more important in a raised bed setting. Maybe if you got an in-ground bed, using straight compost may not be as big of a deal. But in a raised bed, I think you need drainage, a couple of other components besides just straight compost. So this is gonna have sand in it. This should be the mushroom compost. You can kind of see sand. You can see topsoil, that's dirt. We got a helper today. And then we have sand anyway, and pine fines, compost, and dirt, which should be the major components of this mix. So we're gonna get these things loaded up. And man, they'll be planting this weekend. Projects in mind y'all need some help with, you're in the Middle Tennessee area, make sure you give us a call. Mountain Movers in Middle Tennessee, number is 615-920-6771. I don't know, we'll see about when this next row is going to come in. Going to be another row right here, another 4 beds. But this looks great, y'all. Again, thank you guys for following with us. Thank you for supporting us. Just watching the videos, man, giving us thumbs up and whatnot. Supports more than you can imagine. So thank you guys just for being with us. You're in the Middle Tennessee area and you need some labor help. Well, that's what I told Tay. I said, man, we earned our name today. Look at that pile of rocks. It doesn't look like nothing on this phone, and that wasn't even from the center. That's just from digging out the edges. And that's not near all of them. We use some of them here and there around the beds. So yeah, we earned our name today. We're mountain movers today, for real. Hey Kevon, what are you doing?
I packed this stuff.
You packing it? Packing it down good?
Yeah.
Smart.
Good deal.
I'm packing it.
We got our help out here, man. We got a couple more beds to go. And then this one will be good, man. Alright guys, there we are. Another job complete. She's gonna be planting tomorrow. Won't be long, and these few beds will be producing vegetables for her and her family. Great investment to have. There's nothing like growing your own food, going out and picking it and then giving it to your family. It's a feeling that I wish everybody in this world would have at least once. Thank you guys for following with us. It's Eric with Mountain Movers. I'll see you on the next one.